So hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ab90. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to join the family. If you are old here, thank you for stopping by. So in today's video, I'll be unboxing my 18-inch ring light. Yeah, you can see it beside me. So this is okay. Before I start, I tried opening to see what's in there, yes, but I also felt like okay, I can also unbox it on my channel too. This here is the tripod stand, yeah, and this obviously is the ring light. Yeah, so this is the ring light and we have everything in here. So let me start with the tripod stand. Yeah, so there's our from this side. Okay. So the more you open, the more it becomes more flexible. So try opening this side, which will make it long. But because of how I'm sitting, I'll be adjusting it like this. So this is how it is. We are moving to the ring light itself. Okay. So you can even see I tried opening it, which I have opened it. So now it's this side on. Okay, no, let me see. Yeah, so on. Okay, so let's try the yellow side. Okay. This is the yellow side. Okay. It's given here. So this is the yellow side. Okay. The white side. So you guys, this is the 18-inch ring light. Yeah, so it's very cool. So meaning I can film in the afternoon, like any time of the day, provided there is electricity. And you guys, I was struggling with filming because quick one here. So what I was trying to say is my area is a very noisy place. So with the aid of the ring light, I'll be able to film late at night. This is it. Okay, so let me show you. this is how it looks like. Okay, so off. Thank you.